Hey YouTube, this is Big YouTuber 25, and today we're doing a video on. Okay, now this is gonna be like how to do fart sound with your hand. Here's how you do it. You gotta like, it's hard to explain. You gotta like, I'm stuttering here. You gotta get your hand, cup it over like that. And the air's going to go through these two fingers. I don't know if I already said that or not. And that's how you do it. Like that. I'll show you again. Two hands. Not now my hands. You just get it like that. And then cup it. And then squeeze. And then just like that. It's really simple, I thought. Like you just... Or that's it. Like for that, like how you do that. So it's not really that hard. Just practice makes perfect with it. You just gotta keep practicing. And the moister your hands are, moisture, whenever your hands are moist, it sounds more like better, more deeper. At least I think, whenever I do it. My hands are more dry right now. Yeah, that's really it. This is probably only going to be like a 2 or 3 minute video. It's a short one. Just how to do fart sound with your hands. That's it. Well, this video is going to be uploaded today, and probably Friday I'll upload again and make a video about I'm either going to get Hubba Bubba, Dr. Pepper, or Big League Chew, and like have like a lot in my mouth and like try to blow a big bubble. Write in the comments if you think I should do Big League Chew or Hubba Bubba, Dr. Pepper. Those are my two favorite gums. So you can write in the comments if you see this video about like if I should do Big League Chew or Dr. Pepper, Hubba Bubba gum. Yeah, so write in the comments if you like this video, like it, and if you like this, subscribe. Write in the comments if you got any ideas for the videos I do. I think I should do something good or anything else. And that's about it for today. Short video. How to make a fart sound with your hands. And this is Big YouTuber 25, and see you later.